version is you go from your point over to the left, this horizontal line, and put a point at 17 feet.
Okay.
The correct way, as far as mathematically deciding how to do that, and it's shown in your book, but they do it a little bit different way because their point is here. It's basically the same, and once you understand it and you do it, you'll understand how much the same it is.
Okay.
But what they advise is to get this distance. You take the width of the back wall plus
Half
and
of
add to it and plus half of it. So it's 13 and a half feet plus 6, round off to 6 feet. That's not quite. But 6 feet plus 13 and a half is 19 and a half feet.
Yeah, that's
So technically, you would do this dot 19 and a half feet. I just know from experience that puts you way out here and it distorts this too much.
Okay.
So the answer is you go from here over 17 feet and then that's, you got a point.
Literally, physically measured 17 feet.
17 feet, a half inch
inch
scale.
Okay.
Yeah, half inch scale. And then you take your triangle and you go from this point and intersect it with the bottom of here. Okay? And do a light line. You don't want it to be dark because you don't ever want to see it. Once you use it, you want it to go away.
Okay.
So with the bottom corner.
With the bottom corner. And then you go all the way to the corner of your paper. Go all the way over here.
Okay.
If you can look and see how it goes all the way there, but you can barely see it.
Did you bring your 17?
If you do it really dark, it is distracting as heck when you start drawing stuff on the floor. So once you have that line lightly, and you have all these other lines, then, again, 2 points make a line. So then, where these intersect, okay, you've drawn this line already. So where this line intersects these lines,
Then you go across.
you make a dot.
And that's
all
what
you
the
do is make
horizontals
a
are?
dot, dot, dot at all these. And that's where the horizontal lines are. Then you come with your T-square and just go across. Now just make careful sure to stop, and that's why these lines are darker than all your other lines. You stop at the floor. So once that happens, then you'll end up with tick marks, sort of. I mean, they're not really, but they're at least a point. Once you've got all the floor done,
And then you just go straight up?
There you go.
then you go with your triangle, and you've already got this. So you just go boom, 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 boom,
Oh.
all the way across. And the
Okay.
same thing here. And boom, you're done.
That'll work.